Good morning, first grade. Get ready for some sound practice. We're going to start with rhyme recognition, just like we did on Tuesday, where I'm going to say 3 words and you're going to tell me the 2 words that rhyme. Cause, pause, breeze. The 2 that rhyme are
cause, pause.
small, tall, feel. The 2 that rhyme are
Small, tall.
sauce, raw, saw.
Raw, saw.
Gawk, hawk, hook. Branch, launch, staunch. Dream, yawn, prawn. Kiss your brains. Ready for onset fluency. I say the word, you say the word, and then tell me just the first sound. Seesaw.
Seesaw. S.
Caught.
Caught. K.
Drawn.
Drawn. D.
Jaws. Pause. Laws. August. Saw. Flaws. Sausage. Okay, getting ready for blending. I'm going to say the phonemes. You're going to listen and then blend the whole word. J, aw,
Jaw.
awk,
Hawk.
v, aw, ult,
Vault.
oz, d, on,
Dawn. I came back.
on,
Dawn.
old, on, os, g, awk. Kiss your brain. Round 1 is done. For the beginning of round 2, we're going to identify the medial sound again, just like we did on Tuesday. And you're going to do it by saying it's going to be a vowel blend, either an R blend or an AU or AW blend that says aw. Fawn.
Fawn. Aw.
Yard.
Yard. R.
Gawk.
Gawk. Aw.
Porch. Turn. Cause. Card. Laws. Pork. Serve. Double pat on the back. Getting ready for segmenting. Put your choppers up. I say the word, you repeat the word, and chop each phoneme. Lawn.
Lawn. O. Aw. N.
Saw.
Saw. S. Aw.
Dawn.
Dawn. D. Aw. N.
Faucet. Automatic. Party. Orders. Lurch. Porch. Stir. Crazy popcorn. Getting ready for substituting. For substituting, we're changing the vowel sound. Say done.
Done.
Change to aw.
Dawn.
Say hike.
Hike.
Change I to aw.
Hawk.
Say fee.
Fee.
Change E to all.
Fall.
Say dry. Change I to aw. Say we. Change E to all. Say felt. Change to aw. Say buy, change I to all. Say yarn, change R to aw. Say to, change oo to all. Say lean, change E to aw. Kiss your brain, round 2 is done. Okay. Adding sound to the beginning of the word or the end of the word.
Oh boy.
Okay, so this,
I'm going to pay very close attention, and so should you.
say law,
Law.
add n to the end.
Lawn.
Say crawl,
Crawl.
add k to the beginning.
Was already at the beginning.
Say crawl,
Crawl.
add s to the beginning.
Scrawl. Messing with me now on these?
Say ought,
Ought.
add k to the beginning.
Caught.
Say law,
Law. I'm going to do one more. Law.
add s to the beginning.
Slaw. Okay.
Say Ron, add d to the beginning. Say raw, add st to the beginning. Say some, add aw to the beginning. Say yawn, add ing to the end. Say set, add faw to the beginning. Say flower, add collie to the beginning. Great job. Now we're going to do deleting, and deleting from the end of the word. Say awesome
Awesome.
without some.
Ah. As backwards though.
Say saucer
Saucer.
without
Sauce.
Say laundry
Laundry.
without dree.
Lawn.
Say straws without z. Say auto without toe. Say drawn without n. Say yawns without z. Say pawn without n. Say halt without t. Say squawk without k. Kiss your brain. Round 3 is done. Time for sentences. Remember, I say the sentence, you repeat the sentence with the same expression, and then we'll say it again, count it, and tell the punctuation. I do my best work.
I do my best work. I do my best work. 5.
And there's a,
Period.
do you like books?
Do you like books? Do you like books? 4 and a question mark.
I like my class.
I like my class. I like my class. 4 and an exclamation point.
I use my nice words. Should be 5 with a period. I will try my best. Should be 5 with a period. We are cool kids. Should be 4 with an exclamation point. I know how to be good. Should be 6 with a period. Are you a good kid? Should be 5 with a question mark. Give yourselves a raise the roof. Miss you guys. Love you all. See you tomorrow on Zoom.